Hi, today I'm doing my 5 savings, but first I'm going to start with Sunshine and Chaos, Cooking and Budgeting, Spring, Summer, Hello Fall, and Winter. And today I have $6. And I'm going to roll a 3-sided die. So 1, 3, and I'll put 2 for $6. Oops. And then I'm going to do my A5, and I think there's 60 or 65 here. There's a lot of ones. And I'm going to start back here. And first is Rudolph's Vacation Savings Challenge from Teach Save Travel. And I'm going to do this one. $2. And this one. $2 and $5 for 7. So 5, 6, and 7. And then Budgets with Elma. 6, 5, and 1 for 6. And then my reindeer, snowball reindeer, I'm going to put in 5. So 5. And then this one is Omar Crafts and Budgets. And I'm going to put in 5. And then, oh, that was an extra. This one's MS Mom Budgets. And I'm gonna do this one. $4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one is the Budgeting Sisters. And I'm gonna do 2. $2. Have you guys gotten all your Christmas shopping done? Or your presents wrapped? I have all my shopping done. I still need to finish wrapping. This is Merry Christmas from Ellie on Earth. I got it last year in a Christmas card. And I'm going to do 7, 5, 6, 7. And then another one from Miss Mom Budgets. I'm going to do this one. $4. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. And then this is my little winter challenge I'm doing. I made it. And I'm going to roll twice. So, actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to do 5 and 1 because there's no 6s. 5 and 1. For 6. And then this is Annie's Little Savings. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, let me see if I have enough. I want to finish this one. Yeah, I should have enough. It's all ones, but let's see. So, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a 2. So 1, 2. So this one should have 50. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So this one's done. And I'm gonna put in my penguin for next time. And then this is the last one. I don't know. I only have 3. I'll do the 3. Because if I scratch, it's probably going to be more than 3. So 3. And that's all the money. And I made it through all the challenges. And that's all I have for today. And I'm going to be sticking this in my bucket. And at the end of the month, I'll reallocate it. I'm going to see how that goes. Because I've never saved all of it till the end of the month. So that's what I'm trying to do. But I'll be back tomorrow with my tiny savings challenges. I'll see you in the next video.